Hi everyone, my name is Natalia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create your own manifestation box so you can achieve your dreams, goals and vision. But before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below because I create all things yoga, fitness, health and wellness, as well as lifestyle videos, and I would love for you to follow along so I can illuminate your path with positivity. Alright guys, let's hop straight into today's video. Before we get started in our video, you want to make sure that you have everything that you need. First of all, you're going to need a box. Make sure that it has a lid on top, as well as some tokens to write your dreams and goals down onto. And then you're going to need some twine and a pen. Now I'm going to link all of these items down below so you can find the exact same ones. And let's go get creating on our manifestation box. Step 1, you're going to take your card and write down one goal that you would like to manifest. You can be as specific as you'd like. For example, to achieve my press handstand by December 2021. Now you can make your goals about anything in your life, about money, love, your dream job, your dream family, whatever it may be. Now, keep in mind that not all of your goals need to have dates on them, as some might be more long-term goals, and that is completely fine too. For example, you might want to manifest your dream home, but you don't know where or when that will be. But simply write that dream of yours down onto the card and ask it into existence. Step 2, you're going to hold the card and visualize this goal or dream coming to fruition. Notice how you would feel if this came true. Ask yourself, what would it look like? And imagine that this dream of yours is already on its way to you. Believe that you deserve it. Visualize that you have it. And know that it's on its way to you. Step 3, you're going to place your token into your jar and then you're going to move on to the next card. So keep writing those goals and dreams down, whatever they may be. There's nothing too big and there is nothing too small. So have an open mind and really just get creating on all of your hopes and desires that you would like to manifest into your beautiful life. So now that we've created our manifestation box, next what we're going to do is seal it. You've got your beautiful tokens inside, you have the lid on, and now you're going to grab a piece of twine, and I've already cut off a piece here. And now with your twine, all you're going to do is just seal it. So seal it around. Create a little knot. And you're just sealing your dreams and your goals into this beautiful vessel. And if you'd like, you can add a little bow to make it cute. And that's that. And this is your beautiful manifestation box with your dreams and goals all sealed inside. Let's go place it into a spot where you can see your dreams and goals regularly and manifest them throughout your day. Now that we have our manifestation box completed, it's time to place it into a location where you're going to see it regularly. Now you can either place it into your bedroom or your living room, whatever suits you best. For me, it's going to be my living room because I spend a lot of time here where I work, and I want to be able to see this jar, so every time I see it I think about all of the dreams and goals that I'm manifesting right now. And it's going to trigger my subconscious mind, so I think about these goals that I'm manifesting. I'm visualizing them and I'm seeing them coming to fruition again. And it's such a great manifestation hack that you can do at home. So I'm just going to place mine up here in this little spot, and it's all ready to go so that I can see it and I'll think about all of my dreams coming true. Now that you've created your manifestation box, you're probably wondering, how does this work? And I'm going to tell you how it's going to change your life. So manifestation is all about asking, believing, and receiving. Yes, you're going to have to put the action into place, but what you're doing by creating this manifestation box is planting the seed of what it is that you want to manifest. Now, you could be writing down things that you never thought that you would want to manifest because you're in that high vibration of what you want to attract. Now, if you don't know what the law of attraction is, I highly recommend looking it up, but let me give you a quick overview of what it is. Now, you might have heard this saying before that your thoughts and your feelings create your life, and that is so true. So every time you think of a dream or a goal that you want to achieve, or you hold on to that feeling of that dream coming true, you are creating the life that you want to attract. You will gain abundance in many forms. In money, in work, in happiness and love, but you have to keep an open mind and know that good things are coming your way. If you want to know more about manifestation and law of attraction, I'm going to link my video up the top, so you can click that link after this one and head over there. And what this video is all about is how to manifest your dream life. And this is the craziest thing. Honestly, I created this video back in September, and in this video, I go through with you guys how Sam and I were manifesting that we wanted a baby, and I created a vision board about family and about having a baby. Not even joking. 2 months later, I fell pregnant, and we have a baby coming in August. So really, I encourage you to write down all of your dreams and desires onto these tokens, really get clear on what it is that you want to attract. Then visualize it. Visualize these dreams coming to fruition. How do you feel? How do you feel holding this dream in your arms? Like, it is incredible. Once you start to believe it, once you start to know that it's on its way to you, you will receive it. Yes, you're going to have to put the action in. You have to put the work into these dreams. It's not just going to happen if you're sitting back on the couch, but you have already planted the seed for manifesting this desire and this dream into your life. Now, you are deserving of your wildest dreams. So don't let anyone ever stop you from achieving your goals, not even your own mind. Some of the most intelligent people like Albert Einstein and Winston Churchill have all believed in manifestation. So if this is something new to you, or you already know about manifestation, then you know that you are on the right path, and keep following your inner light, your gut feeling, and it's going to guide you exactly where you need to be. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed creating a manifestation box with me. If you do decide to create your own manifestation box, then please tag me so I can see your beautiful work and know that your dreams are your destiny and you are capable of achieving all of your dreams. So go out there and get them, because this is gonna change your life. I am so excited for you guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Sending you so much love from my heart to yours. Namaste.